In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to really insert a PDF into a Google Sites web page in about a minute. This is a straightforward process, but I'll be guiding you through each step to make sure there are no hiccups along the way. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have successfully placed your PDF neatly into your Google Sites page. So let's dive right in. First, we need to access Google Sites and navigate to the page where you'd like to insert your PDF. Once you're there, you'll want to look for the Google Drive icon. It's typically located in the toolbar. This icon is your gateway to inserting various files from your Google Drive into your site, so go ahead and click on that. With the Google Drive icon clicked, a new window will pop up, allowing you to browse through your files. This is the part where you need to find the PDF file you want to embed. It might take a little searching depending on how you keep your drive organized, but rest assured you can use the search bar in the top right corner to make this easier. Simply type the name of your file, and once you've spotted it in the list, click on it to select it. Now that you've selected the PDF you want to insert, it's time for the next step, which is clicking the insert button. This button is usually found at the bottom right corner of the window. Clicking it will embed the PDF directly into your Google Sites page. It's really that simple. However, if you run into any trouble with permissions, or if the file isn't displaying correctly, double check that the sharing settings for the PDF are set to at least anyone with the link can view. This ensures that your audience will be able to access the document without any issues. Now you should see your PDF displayed right on the page, and you can adjust its placement and size as needed. Google Sites offers you the flexibility to resize the PDF window by dragging the corners, so feel free to adjust it for the best visual presentation. That's all there is to it. You've successfully learned how to insert a PDF into a Google Sites web page. With this skill, you can add a new layer of interactivity and information to your website, whether you're sharing reports, portfolios, brochures, or any other type of document. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more easy to follow tutorials. Happy creating, and see you next time.